Hello fellow DJs from around the globe, I'm JP and welcome to my channel Real Life DJ, where I try and produce useful, interesting and above all informative and free videos for DJs, covering basically everything DJ related, from equipment and training through to your very own DJ questions. In this video I'm taking a close look and unboxing the Beamz BBP96SW battery powered wireless DMX uplighter power light. Let's roll the intros. Before we do anything else, let's have a quick look at the unboxing of the Beamz BBP96SW and check out what comes in the box as standard. First off, we have the IRC remote control, then the DMX connection cable, 3-pin DMX conversion cable so you can plug your existing DMX cables in, power supply, which to be honest is clumpy and way bigger than it needs to be. You also have a quick start guide, another products brochure, a user manual that's about as much use as a chocolate fire guard, and then of course the light itself. The Beamz BBP96SW battery operated wireless DMX uplight power can is a very bright power light with 6 times 12 watt LEDs, each producing individually red, green, blue, amber, white and UV. The unit has a battery life of up to 9 hours use, and each unit has a menu section that shows how much power is left. Rapid recharge time is only 3 hours. You have the ability to set between 6 or 10 channel DMX. It has an IR remote control, wireless DMX with the ability to do master and slave mode. So you can set the master to sound active and the others to wireless DMX on DM001, and they will all work together perfectly with no DMX cables needed. The Beamz BBP96SW has a host of modes, so you can make the most out of this light, with obviously sound to light, auto, fixed colour modes, etc. All the usual features you'd expect. Before we carry on, I'd like to ask you to do me a massive favour and press that like button. And if you're not yet subscribed, then go and smash that too. This thing really helps channels out and it costs you nothing, so we really appreciate it. I must say the build quality on this is impressive. The Beamz BBP96SW feels solid, but it's still light. At the same time of filming this, I've just unboxed and I can get everything to work with the exception of the IR remote. If the manual's any good, it would explain what setting I'd need on for the remote to work. Currently, when I press the remote, it changes my ADJ lights behind me and not this. So there's obviously something I'm doing wrong. With the exception of the remote control, that is no doubt user error. I will speak to their support team this week and get that sorted. The Beamz BBP96SW seems to be a great light. No shout out in this video, unfortunately. I'm fully up to date from requests from DJs with active YouTube channels. If you're a DJ or in the DJ industry and have an active YouTube channel and would like to give you a shout out, please let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to do so. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. It's really appreciated. On a really serious note though, if you've not subscribed yet to the channel, then now the time to do so. And if you do, don't forget to turn on that bell and get the notifications of my next video. Don't forget to like as well. Like, up or down, whichever. It helps the channel. Do it. Go on, do it. Until next time, thanks for watching. JP out. Audio.